Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to make flatbread. It's so easy to make, y'all. Super easy recipe. So let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start by getting this large bowl, and in here I'm placing flour, baking powder, and salt, and I'm gonna mix that together. And my daughter is gonna be helping me here today to make the flatbread. All right, so you're gonna mix all of the dry ingredients together. Next, I'm gonna add in some plain Greek yogurt and also some olive oil, and you're gonna mix that with the dry ingredients. And basically the yogurt and olive oil acts as your wet ingredient, and you're gonna mix that into the flour mixture and bring the dough together and lightly knead it until it comes together in the shape of a ball and it's nice and soft and smooth. So I kneaded it for maybe about 5 minutes, just until it was smooth and soft. So next, what you want to do is divide the dough into some even sized balls. I did about 8 dough balls, and then I just rub them in the palm of my hand to make them smooth. And then you're going to cover it with some paper towel or kitchen towel and let that rest for 15 minutes. So after the 15 minutes, you guys, you're going to use a rolling pin and basically roll out each of the balls into the shape of a flatbread. So I didn't make mine into perfect shapes or nothing like that. I just basically freestyled it and rolled it out flat. Don't roll it out too thin, but you don't want it that thick either, okay? And once it's nice and flat, that's it. You're gonna get ready to cook it, and cooking it is very easy. 1 2 3 and you're done. So I use my cast iron skillet to cook it, but you can use your frying pan. So before we start cooking them, I'm going to show you guys how to make this olive oil mixture that we're going to brush them with, okay? So in this little bowl, I'm adding some minced garlic, some olive oil, and some parsley. I use dry parsley. You can use fresh parsley as well. And you're just going to mix that up. As for the amount of olive oil I used, you guys, I really just eyeballed it. It really doesn't matter. I did about 3 cloves of garlic and maybe about a tablespoon of parsley. You could just eyeball it and mix it together, and yeah, you're gonna brush the flatbread with that on each side to cook it. You could also add a little bit to the bottom of the pan before you add the flatbread in there. And once the pot is nice and hot, I added the flatbread into the pan, and as you can see, I brushed the top of it while it's cooking. And literally, you guys, I let it cook for maybe 30 seconds, 30 to maybe 40 seconds. Once it's a little golden brown on that first side, it's going to start to make bubbles and kind of swell a little bit. That's perfect. And then you're going to flip it to the other side. And I brush it again because I want that garlic flavor and olive oil on it a lot. So you can also brush it when it comes out as well, as you can see here. And once both sides is cooked, you're going to add the next flatbread and continue doing this until you've made all of the flatbread. And that's it, you guys. Super easy. I told you guys. This is the easiest recipe ever, and I love flatbread. So in this video, I made mine today with some chicken gyro. I already have videos up on making chicken gyro, so it's not included in this video. And I also made some breakfast pizza, so you guys can make that as well. Get creative and enjoy. So that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.